There are so many ways to duplicate objects in a circle, but this is definitely not it. Stop wasting your time doing this manually. In this video, I'll show you 4 professional methods to rotate anything perfectly. And make sure you stick around for number 4 because it's a total game changer and my personal favorite. Let's dive in. First up is the classic rotate tool method. Select your object, grab the rotate tool, and hold Alt or Option on Mac while clicking the center point to open the settings. Enter your angle, I'll use 45 degrees, and hit Copy. Now just hit Ctrl-D or Command-D repeatedly to create the perfect circular pattern. It's quick, precise, and gets the job done. Method number 2 is Objects on Path. First, duplicate your object to match the total count you want. Next, create a guide circle by going to Object, Path, and Offset Path. I'll change its color so it's easy to follow. Now, select all your duplicated objects, click on that guide circle using the Object on Path tool, and boom! They instantly wrap around it in a perfect circle. The beauty of this method is the total control it gives you. Once applied, you can easily adjust the spacing to pack the objects tighter, rotate each individual element on its own axis, or even shuffle their positions along the path. It's incredibly flexible, and that's what makes this tool so powerful. Method number 3 is the transform effect. Select your object, then head up to Effect, Distort and Transform, and choose Transform. Set the registration point to the bottom center, enter your rotation angle, type in the number of copies you need, and hit OK. To finish it off, just expand the appearance, drop your center circle in, and you're good to go. Method number 4 is my absolute favorite, and it's the Radial Repeat tool. Simply select your object, go to Object, Repeat, and choose Radial. And just like magic, it's done. From here, you can dynamically slide to change the number of instances, adjust the spacing, or rotate the objects on their own axes. It is by far the most modern and flexible way to do this. So which of these 4 methods is your go-to? Let me know in the comments below.